Rock Island Armory VR80 SMOKE 12 gauge semi-automatic. Let's take a couple of shots. Alrighty. Nope. One quick failure. Alright. And one little hiccup there, but that happens. Maybe you'll be able to see the clays, but I kind of doubt it. It's kind of hard to see those. But we'll see. Put one in the chamber, dummy. Right in. Boy, this thing is so much fun to shoot. Woo! Oh man, I tell you, this thing is just like any of my Rock Island. I got 3 Rock Island Armory shotguns. I got the VR80 SMOKE here, I've got a VR60, and I've got the VRBP 100, and they're all just a blast to shoot. I just love shooting these things. But anyway, just want to have a little fun. I'll probably shoot a little bit more, but for the Rock Island Armory VR80 SMOKE, had a couple of little hiccups, but this gun don't have very many rounds through it yet. It's still in its break-in period. I've had it less than a week. And I'm following old Montana John, if you know who he is. I'm following his advice. I'm keeping the slide right back for about a month, and that should fix it up. It worked for my VR60 anyway. But anyway, for the Rock Island Armory VR80 SMOKE, Donnie D, and I'll see you later. Bye.